Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily fix Google Chrome lag problem, or if your Google Chrome is freezing, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, click on these three parallel dots, and after that scroll down and click on settings. After that, on the left tab, scroll down and click on system, and here you will see that your hardware acceleration when available is turned on. You need to turn it off, and after that click on relaunch. So after that it will take a moment and it will restart, and your first step is now completed. We will move toward the second step. Click on three dots and go to history and click on history, and here you have to click on clear browsing data. And here you will first of all time range, you have to select all time, and after that you have a browsing history option. If you want to clear, check it, otherwise uncheck it. And second, cookies and other site data, if you want, then it's up to you. And the third, cache images and file, you must have to check this one. And after that you have to click on clear data, and second step is complete. And in the final and the last steps, we are going to put some commands on the CMD. So for that, go to the search and type CMD and click on run as administrator, and here you have to put the command. So these in my case I have pasted it over here. I will put these command in the video description. You will copy from there. I just copy from here and put it, just right click on it and it will automatically paste. So press enter after that, and here you will see successfully flush the DNS resolve cache. So after that we will move toward the second command. We will just copy this from here and paste it over here. So from the right click, it is not I'm able to paste, so I will try once again. So it is not working. So what we need to do is we have to copy this again, and here we have to paste it with Control V command. Press Control and V together and it will paste, and press enter. After that you will see successfully reset the Winsock catalog will appear, and at the end there is written that you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset process. So after that, this command, you must have to restart your PC in order to take these changes effect. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.